Welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install software of Logitech G915 TKL keyboard on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just type Logitech G915 on our browser, and we have to click on the first link right here. Obviously, if you are on a Windows device, you have to click download for Windows, and if on macOS, on this button. I'm not gonna click on this button because I have already this software on my device, so I'm gonna just right here I'm gonna search G915, and here we have to just connect our Logitech gear. And basically, that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!